Area calculation. You can prove, not just believe. AutoCAD can show you the area of a polygon in one click. But can you prove that number to a client, auditor, or landowner? In land parcels, computer value is not enough. You need derivation, breakup, and clear calculations. In this video, you'll learn multiple reliable methods to calculate area and generate a presentable area report automatically. In this video, you will learn how AutoCAD calculates area internally, why triangle and quadrilateral-based area is trusted in land parcels, how complex polygons can be broken into triangles automatically, how to generate a clear, auditable area calculation table, and how all methods give the same final area. Basic method. AutoCAD. Area command finding area in AutoCAD is simple. Type area, choose object, and select the polygon. AutoCAD instantly displays the area. Fast no derivation. Difficult to justify for land records. That's why survey and land documents rarely accept just one number on screen. Why triangle and quadrilateral method is trusted. Land area is measured using simple shapes. Area is traditionally calculated using triangles and quadrilateral. Triangle area equals 1/2 times base, times height. Quadrilaterals are divided into two triangles. This method is clear, verifiable, and reliable. Any complex polygon can also be broken into triangles. Now comes the interesting part. AutoCAD does not calculate area by drawing triangles internally. Instead, it uses a mathematical method called the Shoelace formula. Shoelace formula. The Shoelace formula finds the area of any closed shape using only its corner coordinates. Here's how it works in simple terms. Write down all x and y coordinates of the polygon in order. Multiply them in a crisscross pattern. Subtract one set from the other. Take the absolute value. Divide the result by 2. The crisscross pattern looks like lacing a shoe. That's where the name comes from. Works for triangles, works for quadrilaterals, works for irregular polygons. This is exactly how AutoCAD calculates area internally. Shoelace area report using AutoLISP. Now let's see this mathematically, not just trust it. Steps 1. Load the area report application using Upload. 2. Type Shoelace. 3. Select a closed polyline 4. Pick a point to insert the calculation table. Result. A full calculation table appears in the drawing. Intermediate values are shown. Final total area is displayed clearly. Now let's verify. Run the area command. The values match perfectly. Limitation of coordinate-based method. Shoelace formula is powerful, but land parcels are not always shared with coordinates. Survey drawings often depend on side lengths, not XY values. So let's move to practical field-style methods. Manual triangle method. You can manually draw triangles using cover the entire polygon, calculate each triangle area. Accurate, very slow, not practical for multiple parcels. This is where automation saves hours of effort. Auto triangle creation. Using Lisp, select the polygon. Program instantly divides it into triangles. No manual drawing, clean triangulation, ready for area calculation. The triangle area report. Load the Generate Triangle Area (FAS) file using Upload. Type GTA. Select all triangles. Pick a point for the calculation table. Program considers only triangles. Any other object selected is ignored automatically. Output. Base length displayed. Height displayed. Area calculated inside each triangle. A clean summary table created. Total area calculated automatically. Cross-check with area command Shoelace method. All values match. Triangle and quadrilateral area report. Sometimes drawings contain both triangles and quadrilaterals. Steps: 1. Select polygons from triangle layer. 2. Program considers only 3 vertex polygons, that is triangles, 4 vertex polygons, that is quadrilaterals. 3. Pick a point for table insertion. What the program does: draws baselines and perpendiculars, displays working lengths, shows step-by-step calculations, creates a professional area table. Matches: AutoCAD, Area Command, Shoelace formula, triangle-only method. No matter which method you choose, AutoCAD Area, Shoelace formula, triangle breakup, triangle plus quadrilateral method. The final area is always the same. The difference is how clearly you can explain it. The Shoelace Area Lisp is available for free download, link in description. Other commands are part of the Area Report Premium application. To purchase this economical tool or request customization, contact cadsuperuser@gmail.com.